Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing this abstract wavy nail art with spring colors, so if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start by applying my base coat. This is the Essie First base to protect my natural nail. And then as a base color, I'm gonna be using OPI It's a Girl. This is a very light pink and it gives a very natural look to my nail. So I want a very light base for the other colors to pop. I'm gonna be applying a top coat just to even out the surface and to make easier the next process, that is working with colors. The next color is Sally Hansen Good Kind and Pure Peony Origins. This is a very bright pink and I'm gonna be using a detail nail art brush just to get some of the polish, and I'm gonna start drawing some lines on my nails. I chose to do wavy lines, but it could be straight or whatever you want actually. This is very simple, and if you don't have this brush, you can use an old eyeliner brush or just a makeup brush. It could work too. And I'm doing these wavy lines in the opposite direction in each nail. The next color is Q by Orly Hey Girl. This is a neon pink, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing with the detail brush, and I'm gonna add a second line to this design. It can be in the opposite direction or in the same one as the previous line. Unfortunately, the camera couldn't catch the difference of the colors, but they are very different in real life. The third color is That's Rich from Color Club, and I'm gonna be using a dotting tool just to make some dots in the free space that we have on the nail, and then with a smaller tool I'm gonna be filling out the spaces with smaller dots in the neon color that I used previously. To seal the manicure, I'm gonna be using the smudge free top coat from Maniology. This is to avoid any smudge from the dots. And then I always like to add a second coat of the dry fast top coat just to complete the look. And the last step, as always, applying cuticle oil. This is from Sally Hansen, so I'm gonna just rub it in my nails and then also in my hand. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.